Hey guys, so tonight I was craving steak tacos. So you know what I decided to do? Make steak tacos. Yeah, that's the steak with onion. So guys, if you want to have great tacos, steak that is plant-based, this Beyond Steak is delightful. Like I didn't realize how good it was. So I use this. And y'all, you gotta use, it only takes 5 minutes to cook. So I usually cut my onions up, put them in some butter or whatever you choose. Pepper, green pepper, a little garlic from the jar, and mix it until it gets down to how you want it, how soft you want it. And then I add this and cook it for 5 minutes. Beyond Steak, guys. So great. And of course, while it's cooking, I add the steak seasoning. So that helps. So if y'all got this at your local grocery store, there we go. Spice Supreme steak seasoning. It makes this plant-based meat taste delicious. So I had a taste for it. So I'm going to try them and I'll tell you how they taste. So of course, y'all, I'm taking this steak and I'm gonna put it in my tacos. And y'all can call me what you want. Ooh, y'all, it's hot, it's hot, hot, hot. I'm dropping it. It's soft, but it's okay. Yeah, so there's the taco. Of course, I got the meat. I wanted some tomatoes and sour cream. Of course, this is my favorite hot sauce. Right there on top of it. And we're gonna try it. And like I said, it is Beyond Steak. So good. Sorry, guys. It's so good. If you are plant-based, this is it.